Communication media. Computer communication involves transmitting data through wires or radio waves. Before transmitting the data, the computer hardware encodes or transforms data in a form of energy. Computers use wires to connect to each other. Copper wires are the most common as electric current travels faster through these wires. When two wires lie close and in parallel to each other, a strong signal sent on one wire will generate a similar signal on the other. Computers cannot differentiate between a normal and an accidental signals, hence this prevents the normal communication. This is called interference. To minimize interference, networks use three types of wiring: Unshielded Twisted Pair, UTP, Coaxial Cable, and Shielded Twisted Pair, STP. A plastic coating on the surface of each wire prevents the metal in one wire from touching the metal in another. The twist helps reduce interference. Coaxial cables have more protection from interference than the twisted pair. They have heavier metal shields surrounding the inner wire. The best example is the wiring used for cable TV. A shielded twisted cable consists of a pair of wires surrounded by a metal shield. Each wire is coated with an insulating material, so that the metal in one wire does not touch the metal in another wire. Optical fiber. Some computer networks use light to transport data. The miniature glass fiber is encased in plastic, which allows the fiber to bend without breaking. Electromagnetic radiation can be used to transmit computer data. The networks use radio waves to operate at radio frequency. The transmissions are referred to as RF transmissions. Satellites. Radio frequency technology can be combined with satellites to provide communication across long distances. The satellite contains a transponder that accepts incoming and outgoing radio transmissions. Infrared. The wireless remote control used in televisions and stereos communicate with infrared transmissions. Infrared is limited to a small area and usually requires the transmitter to be pointed at the receiver. Other lesser-known forms of communications. Microwave. Use electromagnetic radiation beyond the frequency range used for radio and television. Laser. A beam of light is used to carry data through the air.